The roar of the hurricane was a beast I couldn't outrun, ripping away everything I called home in a matter of hours. Left standing in the debris of my past life, I felt the weight of despair until the warmth of strangers' hearts rekindled my spirit. With nothing but the clothes on my back, I was taken in by a family who offered more than just a roof. They shared laughter, tears, and a sense of belonging I never knew I needed. Each day, I saw resilience in their eyes, learned that community is built not by walls, but by kindness, and discovered that true wealth is measured in compassion. As we rebuilt together, brick by brick and heart by heart, I realized that my greatest fortune was not in what I had lost, but in the humanity I had gained. These strangers turned family taught me that even in the fiercest storms, we can find our way by lighting the path for others. In losing everything, I found something invaluable, the power of